Let's use this information to add and subtract. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and again, go a little lower and then pull my number line down because the number line is my favorite friend. So as far as the number line goes, let's see how we can use this information to add and subtract. If I were to say 2 plus 3, what is 2 plus 3? We know it's 5. But how do I show this in the number line? We start at 2, and then we jump 3. You see that? We jump 3. Now, which way do we jump? We jump to the left because it's positive. So 1, 2, 3. We're ending at 5. Did you see that? So you start at 2, and then you jump 1, 2, 3, and you end at 5. Again, you start at 2, you jump 3, and you end at 5. Let's try another one. If I were to ask you 2 minus 3, where do we end up now? I'm going to erase this out so I get more space. I can do some jumping around, right? 2 minus 3. Again, we start at 2, but the question is, do we go to the right or do we go to the left? Well, look at the sign. The sign is negative. Negative is to the left. So we jump 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. The answer is -1. You see that? So addition, so again, 2 plus 3 gives us 5 because we jumped, and I'm going to try to write, jump to the right. And here, 2 minus 3 gives us -1 because we jump to the left. Okay? And this is how adding and subtracting matters. So let us try another one just to give it a shot. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and erase this because I want to make sure I get a clean slate to jump around with. All right, let's go here. And I'm going to put 2 things. The first one, I'm going to write -5 plus 3. And the second one is -2 minus 4. Okay, let's see. Look at the -5. We started -5. Now the sign is telling us plus. So are we jumping to the left or to the right? We're jumping to the right. How many are we jumping to the right? We're jumping 3. So 1, 2, 3. We are at -2. Easy peasy, right? Let's try another one. -2. We start at -2. Now we have a negative sign. Are we jumping to the left or are we jumping to the right? Easy peasy again. We're jumping to the left. How many are we jumping? We're jumping 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're ending at -6. That was easy. I really feel like getting the easy button, just pressing. That was easy. Okay, so there you go. Now, since we understand the comparison between numbers, we understand the positive, the negative, the origin, and we understand how to add and subtract using the number line.